Hi everyone, my name is Caleb. I'm the owner-operator of Carriere Welding. Today I'm going to show you how I built this rock bucket on my ShopSabre CNC. Now over here at the computer, I have the file that we're going to be cutting today. It's a DXF file that I purchased online. If you're new to CNC, it's very easy to find files online. You can cut just about anything. There's literally thousands of files available to purchase. All you have to do is import the DXF file into InRoute. What's great is you can also customize any DXF file that you purchase. Here I added my logo to the rock bucket. And after nesting, I found there was some unused material in the corner of the sheet that I added these lifting lugs to just to utilize the extra space. Now that we have our nested file, all we have to do is output it to G-code, save to a TAP file, and you're ready to cut. But before we cut, we'll walk over the machine and I'll show you what we're working with today. Today we're going to be using our ShopSabre Sidekick 8. We generally buy 4x8 sheets, so the Sidekick 8 was the obvious choice for our shop. Paired up with the Hypertherm PowerMax 85 Sync, which does the majority of our cutting for us. As you can see, there's two torches on my machine. One is the oxy-fuel attachment. It's great for when you have to cut anything over 1 inch up to 2 inches thick. The other is the Hypertherm PowerMax 85 Sync. Since we're cutting 3/8 plate today, it is a perfect example of the speed and consistency that this machine will give you. Now that we've covered the project, let's get to cutting. Now that the file is complete, we have all these parts cleaned off the table. Let's take a closer look at the cut quality. The Hypertherm 85 cut through this 3/8 plate like butter with minimal cleanup. As you can see, there's some dross left over on the edge of the cuts, but it'll come off pretty quick with a grinder. Shouldn't take too long. The overall cut time for that file was about 25 minutes. The only thing left to do is to clean these parts up and start assembling our bucket and get welding, and then this project will be complete, so let's get to it. Now that our welding is complete, all that's left to do is get this thing cleaned up and ready for paint. As you can see, thanks to the power of CNC, it makes fit up and welding a breeze. All from a $20 file that gave me the ability to customize it and add my logo. Whether it's high production work or custom projects, the CNC can really amplify your business. I love how this project came out. I hope you learned something today, and thanks for watching.